What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to introduce you to the band, the Shoot Dangs, and we're going to go play the first show we played in over a year, and we haven't practiced a single time. So here we go. Welcome to Truck House Lab, baby. We got Achilles back here. What's up, buddies? Leah, my bandmate, she's we're carpooling up to Fairbanks. We got like an 8-hour drive, and we're gonna go play a show. So, and it's our bandmate's birthday tonight, so it'll be fun. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna drop Achilles off. Leah's childhood home.
Dad? Come outside. Oh.
Put this over here.
What? Hey, what's going on?
Hey, you got a mask?
No.
We need a mask.
Pull it out really quick. Okay, yeah.
We need a mask.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
I'm like, no, I don't have my mask. It's in the truck.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, sweetie.
We filmed that. We're going to put it on YouTube.
Oh, great. What's going on? How you doing, brother? David, good to see you. We'll give it credit. They said it's a better transmission house. Because when Chevy puts a house in, they put cheaper stuff in it. It's not like it's going to
Oh yeah, Leah's got those stairs figured out. All right, we dropped Achilles off, heading north to Fairbanks. Here we go. Leah's about to be napping.
Ah! Oh my god!
Come on in the car.
You're ridiculous.
We got like, how far do we got? Like 6 hours or something?
300 miles.
Yeah, 300 miles. Yeah,
Something
this
in your
is
nose.
There's something in my nose.
Yeah.
No, there's not.
It's like falling out.
I get it. Yeah. She's always messing with me like this. It's messed up. But yeah, we're I forgot what it's. You made me lose my train of thought.
Sorry.
Anyway, we haven't played a freaking show in over a year. It was like last February was our last show. So yeah, it's been like a year and 3 months or something. And the kicker is we haven't practiced a single time in over a year, and we're not going to practice at all. We're just going to play this show. So we're going to bring you guys along for that. Let you watch the clown show. Anyway, that's what's going on. Hello. Can you hear us? Happy birthday. What are you doing? What are you wearing? You not wearing pants?
Oh.
I bet you have shorts on. Should we meet you downtown then? Yeah. Cool. Where do you go? What's the place called?
The Big Eye.
The Big Eye?
We all need to stick together. I hear there's a murderer. There's a murderer in Fairbanks.
What? Are you the murderer? Is she up there?
Okay.
Alright.
Bye. I don't think she knows about the murderer.
No, she doesn't know about the murder.
I'm surprised.
I don't know. Leah's the only one that knows about the murder. Apparently there's been like people that are getting murdered in Fairbanks. I don't know anything about it. I don't know. It's you. Out! Out!
First Avenue.
All right, we're in Fairbanks. We're coming up on Hannah's birthday party extravaganza, the Big Eye. I've never been here. We're gonna go check it out.
First Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
In the street, I am AR-15!
All right, we here. We're going in. Go watch Hannah play some music. We're downtown Fairbanks, side of the river. These guys are over here playing some music. We're going in there. It's the Big Eye, they call it. I think I see Hannah on stage.
Oh no.
Here we go. Alright, that was an awesome night last night. I've still got a wicked hangover. I think we stayed up to 4 or 5 in the morning. Had an awesome birthday party with Hannah. Good show, as you guys saw. And we're getting ready to go to, it's called the Cockfight. It's a battle between 2 distilleries in Fairbanks. And they took over a big park. There'll be food trucks and a whole bunch of drink slinging. And then we're the headlining band, so we have to play last. So for those of you guys that don't know, our band is called the Shoot Dangs, as in shoot, and dang as in dang it. And yeah, we've been playing since 2012, so I guess that's going on 9 years now. So we got 5 band members. We've got the infamous Johnny Lungs on ukulele. We've got Leah Moraes, and she plays our accordion. The bass player is Nate. He's got that crazy limo hearse car thing. And Hannah is our best little friend. She plays steel guitar and fiddle, and she sits on a suitcase and uses it as a kick drum. It's pretty sweet. And of course I'm in there playing banjo. So anyhow, it should be pretty fun. These are all my best friends, and it's awesome to be back with them again. So what you guys are going to witness is the first time we played in over a year and 3 months to be exact, and we haven't practiced a single time. So we'll see how it goes.
Just gonna get video.
This is originally where the exhaust came out on the car.
Yes.
Where'd you pick this thing up from again?
It wasn't a lake. Sold out now.
Freaking
It wasn't a lake?
Shit, yeah, it was. Yeah.
That's funny.
Someday.
Yeah, someday.
Someday.
Sure. All right. That door weighs like 500 pounds. Oh, yeah.
That is an old Packard heater that is sitting in an old...
Pretty sweet, huh? Nate's new ride. It's pretty classy.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
How much room there is to work. It's
I know.
Insane.
I know, I gotta...
You can fit like 8 batteries in there.
I gotta
if you
change the
wanted
head gaskets on here, and I'm like... Yes.
The
Meet the band.
The camper just got bumped down.
It's going to be our new band road trip vehicle. Road trip limo. I think we all fit in there. Make that turn. That's awesome. I love having ridiculous friends. Great. Camera says hello.
Who does?
The camera.
The camera. Hello, camera. Hello.
Yeah, so we came back to the mailbox and someone delivered some margaritas.
I just took a bunch of...
I smell a little south of the border right now.
I just let a bunch of things in here.
I know. I was like...
How you feeling now? Ready?
I'll live.
It'll be all right.
Love you.
All right, y'all. We're about to go on stage. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think it's gonna be fun. So let's do it.
Your other uke?
Got it. All right. What do you guys say? First show in 1 year. 1 year, 3 months. Yeah, I think so. We're going in. Go.
That's what I want to get out of it.
Maybe a little bit on this side. I can't hear it very well.
Welcome back to normal life, everybody. Good job, you made it.
We're doing it.
We're doing it.
For now.
Also, if you guys like our new album that we released 5 days before COVID, we had our CD release party at 49th State Anchorage, and then
was
COVID
awesome.
hit 5 days later.
We got
So
so drunk.
we
It's awesome.
have our brand new CD right there.
Yeah,
if you'd
they're up
like
here.
to buy it.
Had him for a year.
Creeping around in the middle of the night, little secrets to keep. Watch a step, oh little girl, all you need is to speak. Come upstairs and give me a little kiss on the cheek. Oh, you know these actions, girl.
So Timmy used to live in this 4x4 Toyota camper for about 5 years. But when he was leaving this camper, he came home one night and there was a very short, small man
That was not me.
who, that wasn't Hannah,
Nope.
That's another man.
that broke into his home and tried to steal his socks and then passed out in the middle of his floor. So this song's called Ranch Hand. Found myself deep in the Sierra Mountains for a long time. All I had was my dog. I was running out of booze, and my cigarettes were very slim. And I was all right with that, so I wrote the song.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My voice cracks is because I look like I'm 14, but I'm actually 38! Well, 10 years ago, in a cold long night. Well, someone was killed beneath the town hall line. And the people saw, well, they all agreed that the slavery not like me, we're just sense of now, was right by. If you send the rest, you will have to die. But it's not a bird who made my life. I was in New York to my best friend's wife.
the show. What'd you say about that show?
My back's broke.
We've had a long couple days. As yeah, this is the first show we played in over a year, like a year and 3 months. So we were all tired, but I feel like it went, you know, as well as it could, and that's about it. So we're gonna go hang out now.
Good morning, y'all. That was a long weekend. My sinuses are completely clogged from pollen because it's springtime up here. Everything's turning green. Anyway, we're pretty haggard, but that was so awesome to hang out with our bandmates again, see our best friends again, and we're gonna do it again soon. We're going out to McCarthy the weekend of June 12th to play our first show. That's our first like 4-hour We're the Only Band show, so that should be fun. So when we do the McCarthy show, I'll try to sit down and do an interview with the band and capture a little bit more of the background of us and what started everything and all that business. But anyway, we're gonna drive from Fairbanks back to Girdwood right now, and then Leah's gonna go all the way to Homer after that. So essentially, Leah lives like 12 hours from Fairbanks, so that's how far she's gonna drive today. We're at the Loose Caboose. It's just the caboose. It's called the Gold Hill Express Coffee Shop. It's the best burrito in Fairbanks.
Are you sponsoring? Yeah, maybe we'll get a free burrito.
Yeah, totally. Can you just like give us a burrito because we're in a mood? Hey, thank you.
You don't know where anything is?
I don't know where anything is.
Burritos!
Yeah.
Oh wait, can I tip her?
Oh yeah, throw it in.
Did you tip her?
I thought you got some cash. We're gonna fit through here? Yeah.
Made it.
Hey, you're out of my face. Been wanting to stop in this place for like 20 years. Yeah. We're gonna go get ourselves a t-shirt. Yeah.
Wait, watch.
Oh! Sometimes you just gotta do the gift shop thing. Not really, but. Oh, here we are. It's like almost June. It's like literally snowing right now. Snow raining. It's snowing so hard right now. This is messed up. It's like literally almost June.
It's so messed up.
Crap. This is so messed up. Anyhow, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel. And we'll do another adventure very shortly. Peace, y'all.